Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for April 23rd, 2018. To start your new work week, we are going to have another very nice day today. High pressure still in control of our weather, mostly sunny skies and temperatures in the middle to upper 60s. I wouldn't be surprised if some areas do touch the 70-degree mark today, but it will be very nice and much like Sunday, in some areas might be a degree or two warmer. But we do have the system off to our southwest we'll be dealing with. A couple areas low pressure with this. There's one here, and there's another one that's going to be trying to form right down here. But we will have an area of showers that's going to move in on Tuesday. And likely many areas, especially in our south and southwestern areas, will move in during the afternoon hours. And it'll take a little bit further, maybe wait to the evening until you get up further northeast, maybe parts of northeastern Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey to get to you. So we do expect an increase in clouds overnight. We will be partly cloudy in the evening, and then the clouds start to roll in after midnight. So here's a look at early Tuesday morning. Everything's still off to the southwest here at this point, so we're not getting any precipitation whatsoever. As we go through the day, here's the midday hour. Still nothing going on, but once we get into late afternoon, you can see some showers starting to move in again in our western and southwestern areas, especially across Delaware. Maybe getting into South Jersey already by the early evening, and in parts of central PA as well. This is just light showers, though. This is not a real big deal. Again, you have one area of low pressure that's over the Appalachians, another one that's going to be trying to form down here off the Carolina coastline or pretty close to it. So we get a little bit further in time, and it's going to take over as that main low that's going to pass right over the Delmarva. Now, the rain amounts, again, are going to be light. I think the heaviest, if you're going to see some heavier rains go over an inch or go over a half inch, it would be over out here in the mountains of central PA. Northwest of the track of the low pressure, and this is getting into Wednesday morning now. So the showers are going to continue going back here to coming in on Tuesday evening. Tuesday late afternoon and evening is going to be taking place with the light showers, and then by the time we get to Wednesday morning, this is the look here. Here's Wednesday around the middle of the day, and then we get to late afternoon, which is right here. It starts to wrap up and pull away, so by the time we get the evening, everything's off up here in New England, and we are going to start to clear out overnight on Thursday night. So it's not going to last too terribly long, but it's not a lot of precipitation we're dealing with either. Most areas are a half inch or less. You can see that here in our eastern sections. Out in central PA, we'll be watching for amounts closer to 1 inch of rain, so you could have a more significant amount of rain in the mountains with that orographic lifting going on. So I think if you're going to get heavier rain, it will be out in this region, but even there, it's just going to be more steady versus just heavy rain, so no flood watch is expected. These areas over here, again, generally under a half inch, up to a half inch. Quarter and a half inch is probably the range you can expect for areas further east, and that's for the entire event through the end of the day on Wednesday. We'll be cooler once with the clouds and showers around. Probably a little bit cooler on Wednesday with those showers, but then it will be on Tuesday. But Tuesday you still get up to near 60 degrees, or it's not going to be cold by any means, and maybe upper 50s in some spots. Will be held in check with those clouds and showers around on Wednesday. After this point, we get into a dry couple of days. We were originally looking at maybe having an opportunity for some showers on Thursday. That is no longer the case. We should be partly cloudy on Thursday. Still on the cooler side, slightly cooler than average, but then we rebound here on Friday. We have a cold front moving in from the west, so we're going to get those winds coming in more from the southwest ahead of this frontal boundary, so that's going to get temperatures up to very similar readings what we're going to see today. So it'll be a nice warm day, a nice day to play hooky here on Friday, another partly cloudy day, and it'll be very pleasant to be outdoors. And then this cold front will move through with its associated showers during the day on Saturday. It won't be too terribly quick to move through, so you could have several hours of showers or light rain moving through. It doesn't look like a real big deal, but it does move off the coast, and then we do get into drier weather come Sunday with partly cloudy skies returning, but we will also be a few degrees below average for highs on Sunday, it looks like. I'm Eastern PA with Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for April 23rd, 2018. Have a great Monday.